sad, when I feel
Okay.
sad, yeah, when I don't want to talk anyone, when then friends,
And
I only share with friends our feelings, our experiences, our sad feelings. I
okay,
only
okay. So you want to
share
say
with friends.
that friendship, is all about reciprocity. Do you know reciprocity?
No,
You don't
sir.
know reciprocity. Okay, I will tell you. I will tell you. Just give me a second because let me ask some more some students. Then I will tell you. Okay, I'm gonna share some of the very useful words which you can talk about. Which you can use talking about the friendship and friends. Okay. So now we got Tahur Ali. You tell me, do you believe in friendship or not? Tahur Ali.
Yes, sir. I believe in friendship. Friendship is very important in our life.
Why? Because you can take free food from your friends.
Why?
Yeah,
So
that's
many
important. Why it's important?
so
Yeah.
not only a single specific reason. There are so many reasons.
Mhm.
The main reason is that we have so many we have so many issues or problems which we have to discuss with friends, and they give us some suggestions and and advices, and furthermore,
Okay, okay. So you can share each and everything with your friends. Okay, so
no,
that's a big relief which you can which you can enjoy after having had
sir,
after having
when
shared
we
each and everything with your friend.
I think, sir, when we discuss some problems with friends, so we can feel some relief,
Hmm. Okay,
and we, yes, sir.
okay. Thank you so much for your for your comments on that. Let me ask Abrish is here. This is Abrish. Abrish, how are you? Can you hear me, Abrish? Abrish, can you hear me? Abrish 12. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, Hafiza, Alisha, do you have friends?
Yes, sir. I have friends, और माशाल्लाह से I have a lot of friends.
हाँ हाँ नहीं जी सारे वो रेस्टोरेंट वाले फास्ट फूड वाले आपके फ्रेंड होंगे ताकि आप बर्गर खाएं मजे से ओके आई नो दैट बट what 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 are some disadvantages okay now let's talk about the pros and cons of the friendship na okay just as Tahur just mentioned that there are many advantages which we can enjoy okay as far as the friendship is
Yes,
concerned
yes.
okay on the flip side of the coin is that we are means even we are vulnerable to some disadvantages because we can encounter some people who are disingenuous okay who are who are very tricky okay and who are devious so you can be used by these kind of people in the name of friendship got it so
नहीं,
जी
actually, it's depend on the personality you have or the personality of the friends you have. अगर if you are loyal and your friends are loyal, so or they are best for you for the rest of your life, तो I think ये disadvantage नहीं होता, हमेशा वो आपके लिए फायदेमंद
no
ही
no
रहते हैं.
Alisha you need to talk in English okay because a lot of students are from UK and USA they don't understand Urdu okay please try to just speak in English
Okay,
only
okay. I
okay.
actually I will मतलब I can't speak English very well, but I try my best.
No problem. You can devastate the language. So we will
Sir,
get rid of
I
that.
think,
Okay, okay, okay.
I
Yeah.
think, sir, in my opinion, if your friend is bad, for example, after a long experience, you realize that that person is not good. So you learn more with that friend.
Okay, okay, okay,
So
okay. So this is a learning, process of friendship. So you means it gives you something in terms of learning. Okay, anyway. So, okay, just we will just broaden this conversation as well by putting more questions. But before we do that, there are some words which you can use to talk about this topic. So first, let me just teach you all these new words. So you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So number one is a extrovert. Extrovert person, the gregarious, social butterfly, outgoing. Okay, they have the same meaning. It means friendly. Extrovert, gregarious, social butterfly, outgoing. Friendly person means the person who loves to have more and more friends. Okay, who finds it easy to make new friends. That is called extrovert person, gregarious person, social butterfly, outgoing person. There are four words. Hopefully you understand that. समझ में आ गया? Got it, guys? Did you understand?
Yeah.
Have
Yes,
you
sir.
got a grasp of all these meanings? Extrovert, gregarious, social butterfly, outgoing. It means friendly. Okay. Introvert and reserved. Introvert. These words are opposite of the first four words. Okay. Introvert and reserved means the person who does not have any interest in making new friends. Okay. Who prefers loneliness to friends. That is called introvert and reserved person. Person who
Okay.
the person who wants isolation, who craves isolation, who craves loneliness, that is called introvert and reserved person. Okay, like I think there are some introvert person in my class. I think who is there? Daraksha is the introvert person, I think. Okay, I'm just I am a bit kind of judgmental person, so I'm just judging. Okay, I'm guessing. Okay, so don't consider me Ali Baba that I can tell you whatever will happen to you tomorrow. Got it? So introvert and reserved. Okay, the person means who prefers loneliness, the person who prefers isolation, that is called introvert and reserved person. Number 3, we have got ambivert. Ambivert means that the person who enjoys the dimensions of both introvert and extrovert, that is called ambivert. The person who alters himself based on the situation, that is called ambivert. Sometimes he thinks that he needs some friends, sometimes he thinks he doesn't need friends. Okay, so according to situation, he just he carries on his strategies. Okay, as far as the friendship is concerned, so that is called ambivert person. समझ में आ गया ambivert का मतलब?
Hello.
Yes.
Two words used for friendly.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. Yes. Who is talking? Yeah.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Yes, who is there? Okay. Abrish, and you can hear me? Abrish, can you hear me now? What's your name? Okay. Anyway, Abrish. Okay. Abrish, now you can hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Don't feel petrified and scared out of my voice. Okay. Now, so that was this ambivert. So we have learned 3 new words. Okay. Extrovert, gregarious, social butterfly, outgoing. Okay. So in terms of meaning, they are the same. Extrovert means friendly person. You can also use gregarious. You can also use social butterfly. You can also use outgoing. Okay. Now moving forward, introvert, reserved, or ambivert. Introvert and reserved. The person who prefers loneliness to friends. Okay. The person who wants to stay isolated.
Sir?
Yeah. Yes.
The first 4 words are used for friendly persons.
वो जो जिसको फ्रेंडशिप का दो शौक होता है ना, वेरी सोशेबल पर्सन जो होता है ना, जिसको मतलब कहता है कि मेरे the person who likes to means have more and more friends, that so you can use okay the first 4 words to describe such a person. Okay, what kind of person you are?
I am extrovert, I think.
No, you will never. You're a very stingy person. Okay, anyway, so ambivert. Now the second one is the introverted and reserved. Okay, this is the opposite of friendly. I have just mentioned to you the meaning of these words, introverted. Now moving forward, ambivert, the person who enjoys the dimensions and the features of both introverted and extroverted. That is called ambivert. ठीक है, जो सिचुएशन को देखकर दोस्ती करता हो, मतलब ना ज्यादा फ्रेंडली हो ना ज्यादा रिजर्व हो, बीच में हो, मतलब कभी फ्रेंडली कभी फ्रेंडशिप की कभी नहीं की. दैट इज कॉल्ड ambivert person. ठीक है. Now I will ask you. You have learned all these words. I will ask you now. My first question goes to Muhammad Bilal. What kind of person you are?
Sir, I consider myself an ambivert, sir.
Okay, you are an ambivert person. Okay, that's great.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how many best friends do you have?
Sir, there are many friends, but sir, I prefer solitudeness to
Okay.
talk myself.
Okay. So you have got many friends. However, you don't want to disclose the number of friends which you are having. Okay, it's a bit difficult for
Yes,
you.
sir,
To
exactly.
explain that. Okay.
Exactly, sir.
Okay, so you are from Nawabshah. The people of Nawabshah. No, you are from Khairpur, no? So you enjoy
Khairpur, sir,
dates.
Khairpur.
Yeah, you enjoy dates over there. I have many students living in Khairpur. Okay, so you enjoy
Yes, sir.
the dates of your city. Okay, this is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They are very famous, sir. Everyone is asking about dates, sir. Give me some dates
It's a
or
very famous,
as a
but
gift, sir.
But you
Yes,
will,
sir.
you will, but you won't give any kind of gift to anyone. Okay, you have, sworn.
Yes, sir. I am ambivert, sir. Bilkul, sir. I am
Ah.
ambivert.
Okay. Okay, Uzma Memon is here. Uzma Memon, you tell me, what kind of person you are, Uzma Memon? Uzma Memon, would you like to speak, or you want to just listen today? Faria Rasool, you are very totally extrovert person, I know that. Faria Rasool. Faria, am I audible?
You
Yeah,
know better than me.
I know much. But you don't keep your words. Even I know this thing as well. Okay. No. I caught you red-handed. You know very well what I mean. Anyway,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know.
okay, we will talk later on that. Okay, we have got Abrish. What kind of person you are, Abrish?
Okay.
Ambivert.
Ambivert. Okay. Because who's your best friend, Abrish? Abrish, who is your best friend?
Two.
Abrish, who is your best friend?
Two, sir.
Two क्या? The who?
Two best friends.
Two best
Two.
friends. Okay. You have got two best friends. ठीक है. Okay. So what is your education?
Class 7.
You are a student of class 7? Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
I was considering you to be student of class, graduation or master, but apparently you, you proved me wrong.
Sir, Abrish is my cousin and she's only 13 years old.
Okay. ठीक है. Okay, I got your word. Okay, now I am moving forward, guys. We have to complete the words, then we will move forward. Okay. Uzma Mema, you are not speaking. Zaman is here. Zaman, may I talk to you? May I have an interaction with you, guys? Zaman. Okay. So this is a very reciprocity. Reciprocity means this is a behavior in which two people or group of people give each other help and advantages. That is called reciprocity. Okay. Reciprocity means, okay, let me make a sentence. Friendship is all about reciprocity. Do you understand? This one means that when you have friends, what does it mean? It means that you will help that your friend and your friend will help you. That is called reciprocity. Understand, guys? Okay. Now, gullible means that you trust the people very easily. Got it? You are too much willing to trust other people. It means that you are a gullible person. Got it? Gullible and credulous. Credulous and gullible, they are synonym to each other. Gullible and credulous. Okay, it means that if you are gullible, you trust other people very soon. Okay, even you can be tricked, you can be intimidated, you can be manipulated if you enjoy being gullible or being credulous. Okay, as opposed to that, we have got incredulous means the person who is not willing to trust other. That is called incredulous. Guys, understand?
Yes, sir.
All of you, credulous, incredulous. Okay, gullible. What does gullible mean? Faria Rasool, you tell me. Faria.
Sir, the person who trusts easily.
What about you? You are a bit kind of gullible or credulous or incredulous person, or you are a bit kind of disingenuous person. Faria.
Sir, I don't trust easily.
I know that. This is I know that. Okay, we will have a debate on that later on. Okay, yeah. So anyway, so Hafiza Alisha, I think you can be tricked very easily. It's a clinch.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are
Yes,
a bit kind of credulous person, gullible person. You trust over others very easily.
Yes, sir.
Me as well, sir.
Okay. Just give me a second, guys. Give me a second, please. I have a call.
इतनी हल्की आवाज आती है नहीं होती ना देख एक काम कर
Okay, guys, I am back now. So we were talking about credulous and incredulous, and we talked gullible. So understand all these words. Uzma Memon, would you like to say something about you? Uzma Memon, I know you have a dream to become a Prime Minister of Pakistan. Am I right, Uzma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you want to become a Prime Minister of Pakistan? Really?
Yes.
Okay, so what would be the first thing which you will do to serve the people? How would you serve the interests and objectives of the people, ordinary people? What will you do for the people? What will you do for Faria Rasool and Hafiza Alisha, as opposed to issuing them fake degrees? Okay, Hafiza Alisha is enjoying. She's a Prime Minister, and you are her friend. Okay, she's gonna give you. She's gonna build castle for you. Okay. Anyway, credulous and incredulous and disingenuous. Disingenuous means that the person, the person who shows something else and hides something else. That is called hypocrite type of person. That is called disingenuous. Disingenuous means the person who says something else and hides something else in his heart. That is called disingenuous. Got it? Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Opposite of disingenuous is ingenuous. That is called mean that the person who is loyal, staunch and ingenious. Okay. So these are words which you. So we have learned a lot of new words. Hopefully, you can use in conversation as well. Any problem? Any problem? Guys, any problem?
sir.
Okay. Because I am सारे जो है ना वो ऐसे शर्मा रहे हैं जैसे क्या बोलूं मैं. ठीक है,
Sir,
जी 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 बोले.
sir, actually, these words are थोड़ा मुश्किल to remember.
हाँ, थोड़ा मुश्किल टू रिमेम्बर. माशाल्लाह, बहुत अच्छी आप
So you kindly share.
इंग्लिश और उर्दू की आप दोनों टांगे बहुत मुश्किल टू रिमेम्बर.
आपने कहा कि जैसे आपको आ रहा है बोल रहे.
No, that's fine. You can say it's a difficult to
These
remember.
words are.
It's difficult to remember.
difficult to remember.
It's difficult to remember. Yeah. Okay. So you can simply it's difficult to remember all these words. Okay. I will share the recording with you guys. Okay. So you can see the recording and you can learn from the recording as well. And believe me, listening is an art. When you listen, you learn. Okay.
जी.
Whenever you are learning any language, all the languages spoken all over the world. First thing which you are supposed to do is to do listening as much as possible. Got it? So that will give you the sense of making sentences unconsciously. Got it? Effortlessly. If you just start speaking without listening, you can never speak well. Okay, when a child is born, first of all, he starts listening. Okay? After when he turns out to be 8 or 6 or 5 years, 4 years or 6 years, then he starts speaking. Means after 3 to 4 years, he takes 3 to 4 years and just listening. After that, he starts speaking. The same goes to you guys as well. When you are learning any language, even Pashto, whatever the language, okay, first of all, you have to do listening. After listening, you can start speaking. So this is the key to success as far as the learning languages are concerned. Okay, so Faria Rasool, any question about these words? Uzma Memon, Nazia Sajjad, Tahur Ali.
No, sir.
अच्छा, क्लास में ना
No, sir.
क्लास में सारे ऐसे मासूम बैठे हैं. अगर ये फिजिकल क्लास होती ना, एक दूसरे जेस्चरिंग भी हो रही होती, बातें भी चल रही होती पीछे. ठीक है
सर, तबाही मचा देते.
ठीक है. फरिया रसूल कह रही होती कि हाफिजा अली ने जो नए कपड़े पहने लंडे के होंगे. ठीक है, तो वो ऐसी बातें चल रही होती. ठीक है, तो however this credit goes to online classes, so we can maintain a discipline. However, but you are supposed to have an interaction with each other. Okay, you can ask questions each other in order to just learn the language and involve yourself in conversation. Okay, so let me ask you some questions. So then based on that, we will just continue our conversation. Nazia Sajjad, mashallah, you are a very veteran person and you are a veteran teacher, I think. Nazia Sajjad, you are a teacher as well? Nazia
Yes,
Sajjad,
sir.
do you
I am
teach at
teacher.
school? Okay, you are a veteran teacher. You have got much experience of your life. You tell me how how person can run his life means successfully. How can I spend our life successfully? What advice would you give to a person who is willing to spend his life successfully to accomplish his goals? What should he do based on your experience?
So according to my experience, there are so many things we
Mhm.
do in for lead successful life. Some these are like that. हमें little bit हमें reserved होना चाहिए और
We need to be reserved.
extrovert
Okay.
reserved and extrovert भी होना चाहिए हमें.
We need to be extroverted. ठीक है.
हाँ जी, gullible नहीं होना चाहिए हमें. Don't be make gullible.
Okay, we don't have to be gullible. We don't have to. Okay, we don't have to be incredulous or credulous.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay, we
Yes,
don't have to
sir.
be
And
incredulous. Okay.
and believe in God. That is
Okay,
the very
trust.
important
We should-
things in
We should place our trust in only God. Okay, looking
only God.
looking.
Only God.
Okay, so that based on that trust, we can accomplish our goals. That's great. Okay,
Yes.
and we should be very positive and we should be very optimistic. Okay, about
Yes,
the
sir.
future lies ahead. Okay, anyway, we got okay. Faria Rasool, mashallah, you are also 50 years old, Faria. So you are also very experienced
sir.
person. So you tell me, for example,
Yes, sir.
if a child is seeking your advice, how would you advise?
About what? About
About the life, for
to
example,
be a successful person.
yeah, you know your parents give you advice. Beta ye kar lo, ye na karna, ye kar lo. Okay, study kar lo, whatever. For example, you want to give advice to the audience to become successful people, or okay. So what advice would you give?
Sir, I have seen many people that they do work hard, but eventually they don't
They
get
don't enjoy the
succeed
fruit
now
of that.
in whatever they do.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. So I think with hard working, you should be putting your trust on God too. I have seen a lot of people.
You are copycat.
okay, who-
Yes, you are copycat totally. Okay, you are imitating Nazia Sajjad. Okay, you are taking her words and just putting, making your essay on that. Okay, I need your
No,
advice.
sir,
Feel independent. Feel
Sir,
independent.
I have seen my cousin. Oh, sir, let me tell you
Yeah.
that why I'm saying that.
Hmm.
I have seen my cousin. Okay, he is mashallah very successful now, and every person in my family always they are like Allah usse kamyab kare, Allah usse kamyab kare, because he is too good mashallah towards family, towards towards Allah and towards everyone. So
Okay.
yes, he do. He is a hard worker, but yeah, he do these things too. That's why he's a very successful person. And I have seen the other one too, who is not good to his family, not good towards he don't put a lot of efforts towards these things, but he do a lot hard work, but he is not very successful. So that's why that's my conclusion, because I have seen all these things. So with the hard working, you need to put your trust on your
On God,
family
okay.
and on Allah too.
Sir, I can, sir,
Yeah.
I have an answer, sir.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, can
Yeah,
I
go
speak?
ahead. Yeah. Please go ahead.
Sir, if a person is sitting near me, I would suggest him to get success. Don't lose hope, ever. Don't lose hope. Just try and try until you get the success.
Stay optimistic. You want to see-
But sometimes try isn't a good thing. The thing you are trying for isn't for you.
Okay, so
So I don't think.
Faria Rasool, I think you are putting emphasis on counseling as well. Along with putting trust in God, there must be a counseling session as well for the people, or even for the generation, for the youth, okay, who are just trying to have a shining and thriving future.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there must be a counseling as well. Counseling should be involved. Okay, because when the person has no counseling, so sometimes that is something which puts him in a trap. Okay, anyway,
Yes.
okay, Zaman is here.
Definitely.
Zaman, can you hear me, Zaman? Zaman, can you hear me? Okay, so not again. Okay, Hafiza Alisha, what is your future planning? You didn't tell me. Then I will ask Tahur Ali. Hafiza Alisha,
Yes, sir.
आपकी future planning क्या है? Vice Chancellor लगना है आपने KU का?
नहीं, actually I'm planning. I have a small online business, so I'm
हाँ.
always
I can read your mind.
planning about.
No, you change your words because you were about to say that I am planning to go abroad. No, you just you know that
No, I'm planning.
I would face criticism. Then you just change your
नहीं, I
ideas. I am running a small business on.
uh, I'm running small business, and all I want to try, or I want to set a life in which
Big business.
I get my family get benefits from this, or
So you want to
future
finance.
में.
So you want to finance your family by running a business.
Yes, this is
Okay.
this is
This is your
my
dream.
biggest
This is your
dream.
ambition.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, do you tell me how many siblings do you have?
Mashallah, alhamdulillah, I have 2 brothers and 4 sisters.
Oh, 2 brothers and 4 sisters. Wonderful. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, Tahur Ali, now it's coming to you. Tahur Ali, you didn't tell me about yourself. What is your future planning? Tahur Ali, we can't hear you.
Am I audible to you?
Yeah. Now you are audible to me.
And now I am doing software engineering, and that's why obviously I want to become a software engineer next year, inshallah. I will, and then I want to do masters, and I want to make a software house.
Okay. That's great. Awesome. Next one. Abresh, you tell me. You are a student of class 7. Very young. What have you planned for your future? Abresh. Okay, she's not talking. Anyway, anyone else who is remaining, who has not spoken yet? Zaman and D is here. Who is this D? Without name. Am I audible to you guys or not? Or I'm talking to myself? Okay, I think I'm not audible.
Yes, sir. We can hear.
Okay. Yes. Okay, guys. So inshallah, we will continue tomorrow, but you have to practice all these words. Okay. So we have done a lot of new words.
Sir, I request to you,
Yes, sir.
please share. Hello.
Ji. Yes, ma'am.
Please share the timing 1 hour before.
Okay.
So I am housewife, so I have completed all works before the class.
Okay, I'm gonna share a link of this video with you guys. You can watch it and you can practice the words. Okay.
And sir, can you share this Word document file?
Yeah. Okay. Allah Hafiz.